Hey everyone, Christopher Small here from Emerald City Law Group. I'm here today to continue our series on what to do if you are involved in a car accident. If you recall, the first video was talked about just pull over, right? The second video was call the cops. Third video was get all of the information. The fourth video was document everything, and that sort of wrapped up everything pretty much at the scene. The video today, the thing that we're going to talk about is filing the claim. Okay, we're going to start about starting the process of getting you paid for what this other guy did to your car and to you if you were injured. Ready? Let's get to it. Okay, filing your insurance claim is a pretty easy process. Basically what you're going to do is you are going to either call your insurance agent or even go online and just pull up your insurance agent's website. They will usually have an online form that you can fill out to start the claim process. What you're going to need is some basic information about the accident. You're going to need the date and the time that it occurred and the location. You're going to need or want to have, you don't have to have all of this I guess, but you're going to want to have, if you can, the information about the other driver, including their insurance information. You're going to want information about any passengers that were involved, anyone else that was injured in the accident, any other witnesses if you have that information. You're also going to want to have the police report information if you can, at least the police report number. You're also going to want to have the information available regarding any damage to your vehicle, because those are some of the things that the insurance company is going to want to get the claim process started. Okay. Once you do that, what will happen is you'll get a claim number, and then the phone calls will start. Okay. Your insurance company will be calling you. The other insurance company will be calling you. So just a couple of pieces of information, a couple of bits of advice for what happens after this process and people start calling you. First things first, don't sign anything. Okay, don't sign any documents given to you by your insurance company, or certainly by the other driver's insurance company. Okay, those are things that can limit the amount of money that you get, can in some cases determine liability if they're worded in a certain way. And they can just, they most of the time they will just hurt your case. Most insurance companies are prepared for you to say, no, I'm not going to sign anything right now, I want to wait, and they'll move on. The second thing that you really want to do is don't give any statements at this time. Okay, you want to wait for everything to settle. You want to wait to see if you are injured, what the extent of those injuries are, and anything that you say to the insurance company, to the police officers, that's all going to be used depending on who has the information to hurt your case in some ways. Okay, so it never pays this. You can say less is more, like we already talked about. At this point in time, you want to hold your cards, close to the vest, for lack of a better saying, and then wait until later to sort of disclose information. All right, if you do these things, then the claim process will be started. Also one last thing: if you have rental car information, you want to have that too, because if you have a rental car allotment in your policy, then the insurance company is going to want to know that information so that they can start to process that part of the claim, take care of your rental car expenses. Okay, that's it. That's pretty much how you start the process. It's something that you want to do as soon as possible to get your insurance company taking care of their obligations to you while the case is going on, and so that you can sort of get at least that part off your plate. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Once again, I'm Christopher Small with Emerald City Law Group. If you have any other questions, if you need our help, please call 206-973-0407, and look for the next video in the series coming up, which is going to be about finding someone like us, finding a lawyer to help you out. All right, take care.